Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. In this video, we would be solving this problem invert a binary tree. So this is a quite famous problem which is asked in many of the FANG interviews. So we are given a root of a binary tree and we have to invert this tree and return the root of the inverted tree. So we have this tree here and this is the resultant inverted tree. So what we do here is we place the left sub part of this tree to the right side and the right sub part to the left side. Okay, so 7 is placed here and 2 is placed here, as you can see in this resultant tree. Then again for this subtree of 7 we placed this 6 here and 9 to the left side, similarly for 1 and 3. So yeah, let's see this with an example. Okay, so we have this tree which is given and this is the inverted resultant tree. Now we can start at this root node. We will take this root node and we will swap the left part with its right part. Okay, so we have here as 7, then 6 and then 9. Now similarly here we have 2, then 1 and 3. Okay, now we did the inversion for this root node. Now again we will do the same stuff for this 7 and 2. Okay, so we have 4 here. Now let's do this for 7. For 7 what we will do is we will swap this left part with the right part. So we will be having 9 here and then 6 here. Okay, similarly for this part, for 2 we will swap this 3 and 1. Okay, so this complete stuff gets inverted, right? So this is our answer, which is 4 7 2 then 9 6 3 1. So yeah, seems fine. So let's code this. So to start off with, we will swap the left part with the right part. First we will check if the root is not null. So if the root is null, then we can simply return this null. Okay, so we'll return null. Now we will swap the left part with the right part. So we will maintain a temporary pointer here. So this will first store the left part and then we can override this left part as okay. So at this left position we have the right subtree. Okay, now for the right position we will just put this left subtree which is now in the temp, and then we will do the same stuff for the remaining tree, that is 1 3 6 and 9. So we'll just invert this tree for the left part and then just invert this for the right part, and once we are done with this we'll just return the root. So yeah, seems fine. Let's run this. So yeah, it gets accepted. Let's submit this. So yeah, it gets accepted. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos on data structures and algorithms. So thank you for watching.